Today I have an announcement. It's like really important. And today I'm gonna be breaking the news to the babies. Zoe. Oh, what, Mommy? I just got out of bed. Why are you still wearing your nightgown? But it's so late. Why did you just wake up? Mommy. Zoe, I have to tell you something. What is it, Mom? What is it? We might be getting a bird. A what? A bird? Anyways, Zoe is really excited about it, so I'm about to go tell Ryan. Hey, Ryan, can you do me a favor? Yeah, Mommy, whatever you want. What is it? Can you tell all the babies that we might be getting a budgie? A parakeet. A bird? Mommy, don't you think... Are you ready for a bird? I've been watching my favorite bird channel called Live Laugh Birds. You should definitely go check her out. I love Live Laugh Birds. I love Live Laugh Birds. Anyways, yeah. Destiny. What? We might be getting a bird. I know his mouth is gross. I did a feeding. Oh my god! Are you kidding? I've always wanted a hamster. I don't want a bird. I want a hamster. Those things that poop everywhere. I don't want one. I want a hamster.